Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Are you facing the no internet available issue in CapCut desktop? Don't worry, today's video will help you fix this problem step by step. Let's get started. First, we have to add a VPN. To do this, go to the search and type VPN settings. Click on VPN settings. In VPN settings, there is a button called Add VPN. Click on it. A box will pop up. In connection name, you can give name anything. I am giving the name VPN. For server name or address, we have to open our browser, and in search bar, we have to type VPN get. And hit enter. Now click on the first one. In VPN get, you can see lots of VPN address. Choose any one and copy the address and paste it in server name or address. In VPN type, you have to select SSPT. For username and password, again go to the browser and you can see here username and password is VPN. So copy the username and password and type username VPN and paste the password in the password box. Now click on save button. As you can see, VPN is already added and there is a button called connect. Click on it. Now you can see that our VPN is connected. Minimize the settings and open your CapCut. Now click on audio. As you can see, after adding the VPN, the all musics are loaded. That's it, my friend. You can try this in your PC to solve the problem. Please send me your feedback. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel Techie Dialogue. That's all for today, friends. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.